King's Classic MyPillow from MyPillow. I'm opening it up now. I ordered it on Amazon. It arrived in a small box, not like a large pillow. Typically, I get, when I order a pillow, it'll come in a large box. This comes rolled up like this. The instructions here state, place pillow in dryer for 15 minutes before use. It comes with a 10-year warranty. MyPillow sells millions of pillows. It's extremely popular, and I'm going to give it a try for the next couple days and let you know how well it works. So I'm going to open it up now and get it out. It's king size. I could have gotten queen, but this is a larger size. I wanted to get as much pillow as I could. And now, it's a big pillow. So, we have here the instructions, or I don't know instructions, but basic information about the different products that MyPillow carries. It's amazing what this company has. Their feature product is the pillow, but they have pillows for pets. They have mattresses. They have all kinds of things, and so that's that. This is the pillow. I actually don't sleep in a king size bed, but I wanted a large one because, you know, I wanted a lot of surface area, and this is a large pillow. It was wrapped up, so I thought it wouldn't be nice and fluffy. It does feel like a decent pillow. It actually, on the website, if you get the premium, there's a number of different styles in terms of the amount of fluffiness and the amount of firmness in the pillow. The premium one is also made a little differently, where there's a gusset, a 2-inch wide gusset that runs along the perimeter, and the top and the bottom is sewn into that gusset. This is the classic, which is also extremely popular. I believe it may be even more popular on Amazon than the premium. That's also a little cheaper. And this is called a knife edge pillow, where the top and the bottom are sewn to each other. You can see this seam right here. There is no gusset, it's just sewn one to the next. On Amazon, they have two options. You can get the more firm pillow, or you can get the medium one. I thought I saw here, yeah, here they have the different styles depending on your size. So, according to that, yeah, you can have it here, but it's fine. According to the instructions of what I saw, based on my size, I am an extra large t-shirt. I'm male. They suggested I get the firm, and that's what I got. Now here, if you look over here with the instructions, it's not really, you know, this is an American-made pillow. It has a patent. It gives you the information about the pillow and just some basic information. So, machine wash, cold warm, and all that. So I'm gonna give it a shot. And we'll report back.